Acer Nitro 5 and 517-54-79L1 gaming laptop. Intel Core i7-11800H, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050T laptop GPU, 17.3 inches FHD 144Hz IPS display, 16GB DDR4, 1TB NVMe SSD, killer Wi-Fi 6, backlit KB. Win 11 dominate the game. Great performance meets long battery life with the Intel Core i7-11800H processor. Up to 4.6 GHz, 8 cores, 16 threads, 24 MB Intel Smart Cache RTX. It's on. The latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050T, 4 GB dedicated GDDR6 VRAM. Is powered by award-winning architecture with new ray tracing cores, Tensor Cores, and streaming multiprocessors support DirectX 12 Ultimate for the ultimate gaming performance visual intensity. Explore game worlds in full HD detail on the 17.3 widescreen LED-backlit IPS display with 1920x1080 resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate and 80% screen-to-body, 16:9 aspect ratio. Internal specifications: 16 GB DDR4 3200 MHz memory, 2 DDR4 slots total, maximum 32 GB, 1 TB NVMe SSD, 2x PCIe M.2 slots, 1 by 2.5 inches hard drive bay available. Prioritize your gameplay. Killer DoubleShot Pro with Ethernet E2600 and Wi-Fi 6 AX1650 lets you use Wi-Fi and Ethernet at the same time, and have total control over priority traffic to maximize speed, throughput, and control stay cool under pressure. When heavy use requires an added boost, Acer Cool Boost technology increases fan speed by 10% and CPU, GPU cooling by 9% compared to auto mode. Overall increasing thermal performance by 25% for better gaming comfort. Take control of your gaming laptop. The Nitro Sense UI can be called up with the dedicated keyboard button so you can instantly visualize your PC's component temperature, fan speed, loading performance, power plan, and more with Alexa Show Mode. You can use your PC as a full-screen interactive experience that features rich visuals and lets you talk to Alexa from across the room. Ports for all your accessories: USB 3.2 General 2 Type-C, DisplayPort, 2 USB 3.2 General 1, USB 3.2 General 2, Power-Off charging, HDMI 2.1 with HDCP support, headphone, speaker, line-out jack, Ethernet, RJ45, DC in for AC adapter. The right fit, 15.89, WX 11.02, DX 0.98 inches H, 5.95 pounds. 1-year International Travelers Limited Warranty, ITW. Up to 8 hours of battery life. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button.